Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the following information. 12x measured in gram, the mass. Find the lower quartile, medium and the upper quartile of this data set. The very first thing is we must arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, once we do that, there are 12x. I'm going to look at where is the middle point to find my medium. And so, this is where the medium is. So for medium, right, later on I will have to look at these two numbers. And divide by 2. Alright, so I've successfully gotten my medium, 72.5 grams. Okay, now I did not have 71 or 4 as my, and therefore for the following part I'm going to have to divide these 12 numbers into 6 numbers each, and looking at the first half of this particular table, which is this set of the value, then where is the middle point out of these 6 numbers? Very good. In between 62 and 68, and therefore I'm going to add them out and divide by 2. That will give me my lower quartile, Q1, 65. Okay, I got my Q1 and Q2 already. Now it's the upper quartile, Q3. Yes, by now you should know that, you should have seen that. I'm going to now focus on this part of the particular data. To get my upper quartile, I need to decide where is the middle point. Yes, it is in between 80 and 83, and therefore that will be my upper quartile. Okay, this is my lower quartile here, and so I will have 80 plus 83 divided by 2 in order for me to get my Q3. Okay, once I get all this data, the next part would be to represent this data in a box and whisker plot. And the box and whisker plot also need my minimum, and my maximum, which is the highest number. And with these 5 values, you can then represent your numbers on a box and whiskers plot, where in intervals of 10 on the axis, then you will see Mr. Tan here having this as the minimum, lower quartile, medium, upper quartile as 81.5, and my maximum at 87. And after which, just join them together like what you see here in this particular box and whiskers plot. Okay, we will join the quartile, Q1 lower quartile and the upper quartile into a box, followed by the whiskers as shown. Okay, well, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.